Hello world, this is Jeremy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share an asset from your Naas notebook. You're going to see how easy it is. It's going to take less than 1 minute and you can use it for anything. Let's go. So here I am in my Naas. I will start a notebook and I will also, for the sake of the presentation, I will add a few assets, let's say. I'm going to add one picture. I'm gonna add CSV file, and that's gonna be it for the demonstration. Share assets will be the name of my notebook, and I will simply do this: naas.assets.add, and put into parentheses the name of the file I need. So if I want this image, I'm gonna put it here, put PNG. And it's going to generate a link. This link is a link you can send to anyone. It's this link right here. And once you click on it, you'll be able to download the file to your desktop. If for some reason you want this to be open in your browser, you can look at the documentation here and add the parameter. Then you'll be able to open it in your browser. Let's check it out. Here it is, the photo of our CTO, Martin. Now let's do it for another topic, another CSV file maybe. So CSV cd.csv, and we also want the inline through. Here it is. I have it copied, and if I open it, then the CSV will download, because obviously you cannot open the CSV in the browser. What about if I share a notebook? All right, let's do it again. If I want to share the notebook, I will use shareasset.ipython notebook. Here it is, the whole JSON that will host your notebook. If I take the params off, run it again, then I will simply download it here. As simple as that. So as you can see, the asset feature is really easy. A more complex example would be to get a full pipeline, get a CSV file in the end of it, and share it to a tool like Power BI, Tableau, or any business intelligence tool that will be able to visualize the data you have shared. So I'll let you discover a bit more of the feature, play with it, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask them in the comment. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos, and I see you in the next one. Bye!